Imagine walking into Dollar Tree this September and walking out with items that could completely transform your garden for just a few bucks. Now here's the catch. Most people stroll past these shelves without realizing they're missing out on pure garden gold. Stick with me because today I'm sharing 10 things you should be buying at Dollar Tree in September 2025 that can save you money, boost your garden's beauty, and make your neighbors wonder if you secretly hired a landscaper. Hey there, friends! Welcome back to Garden Homes, your go-to channel for smart, budget-friendly gardening tips that help you create the garden of your dreams without draining your wallet. If you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. We're so glad you stopped by. And to my returning viewers, thank you for being part of this growing community. Before we dive into the list, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. And if you love saving money while still growing a stunning garden, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps this channel reach more garden lovers just like you. All right, let's jump in. Number 1. Terracotta look planters. You've probably walked past Dollar Tree's planter section 100 times without realizing the hidden value sitting there. In September, keep your eyes open for their terracotta look planters. They're lightweight, easy to carry, but yet they mimic the warm, rustic look of real terracotta that you'd normally spend $5 to $10 for at big box stores. Now, here's the smart part. September is the perfect month to refresh your containers. Summer flowers may be fading, but this is when you can pop in seasonal favorites like chrysanthemums, pansies, or even start garlic cloves for a fall crop. These budget planters let you spread color around your porch, patio, or garden beds without breaking the bank. And here's a little pro tip. Grab a few extras now because by October, they'll vanish from shelves. They're also fantastic for grouping them together. Cluster 3 or 5 at different heights for an inexpensive-looking display that costs less than a fancy coffee. Number 2. Garden gloves with grip. Here's the truth. September is a hands-on month in the garden. You're pulling out the last of those tired summer plants, pruning back bushes, and getting soil ready for fall crops. But here's the problem. Without the right gloves, your hands end up scratched, blistered, and sore. This is where Dollar Tree's garden gloves come in. Don't be fooled by the price tag. These aren't just flimsy fabric gloves. Some of them have textured rubber grips on the palms and fingers, which means you can actually hold onto pruning shears, pull weeds faster, and carry pots without them slipping. And let me give you a little secret. Don't buy just one pair. At $1.25, grab 3 or 4. Keep one in your shed, one by the porch, and even one in your car. Why? Because nothing slows down a gardener than realizing their gloves are wet, muddy, or left inside the house. With extras on hand, you can keep moving without skipping a beat. Plus, if you're like me and sometimes misplace gloves halfway through the yard, it feels a lot less painful losing a Dollar Tree pair than the pricey ones from a garden center. Number 3. Storage bins for seeds. Every gardener knows the struggle. You buy seeds in spring, tuck them somewhere safe, and by fall, you can't remember if they're in a drawer, a shoebox, or buried under last season's receipts. That's wasted time, and sometimes wasted money if you end up rebuying what you already had. Dollar Tree has a clever fix most people overlook. They're small plastic bins, craft boxes, or even photo organizers. These are the perfect size for seed packets, and when you add a little label on the outside, boom, instant organization. You can separate them by season, plant type, or even by month you plan to sow. And here's why September is the golden time to grab them. Fall is when you start saving seeds from your summer harvest. Tomatoes, peppers, marigolds. Instead of tossing those little envelopes in a messy pile, slip them into bins so they're ready and safe for spring planting. And let me tell you, organized seeds aren't just about neatness. When you actually know what you have, you plant more, waste less, and get a head start while everyone else is still fumbling through half-torn packets. Number 4. Fall-colored artificial flowers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Artificial flowers? In a garden video? But hear me out. September is the month when summer blooms begin fading and your containers or porch planters can start looking a little sad. This is where Dollar Tree's fall-colored artificial flowers come in like a secret weapon. They stock mums, sunflowers, and deep autumn shades, orange, burgundy, golden yellow, that you can mix right into your outdoor pots. The trick is blending them with your real greenery. Slide a few artificial stems between your real ivy or ornamental grasses, and suddenly, your planters look full and vibrant again, without waiting for slow-growing fall flowers to catch up. And because they're reusable, pack them up for the season and bring them back next year. That's one of those budget-smart hacks most gardeners overlook, but makes your space look effortlessly polished. Number 5. Solar stake lights. September evenings get shorter, and this is the perfect time to make your garden glow without running up your electric bill. Dollar Tree's solar stake lights may look simple on the shelf, but once you place them along a garden path, near your flower beds, or even tucked inside larger planters, they create a warm, inviting glow for just a few dollars. And here's why they're a must-buy in September. This is when you start spending more time outdoors in the cooler evenings, maybe sipping tea on the porch or enjoying a late sunset. A few well-placed solar lights can completely change the mood of your garden, turning it from ordinary to magical for just a few dollars. And if you like to decorate for fall holidays, these lights make your pumpkins, porch setups, or even scarecrows pop at night. They recharge during the day, switch on automatically, and honestly, they rival the pricey solar lights sold at big stores. Quick pause before we jump into the next items. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, let me know in the comments which Dollar Tree garden find you've discovered that surprised you the most. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps this channel reach more garden lovers just like you. All right, let's keep going.
Number 6. Garden tools and multi-purpose finds. Now, here's where Dollar Tree really surprises people. Tucked in their seasonal aisles, you'll find basic garden tools, hand trowels, cultivators, and even pruning shears. Are they top-of-the-line, heavy-duty tools? No. But here's the thing. Sometimes you don't need the expensive stuff. These tools are perfect for quick jobs, loosening soil in small pots, transplanting seedlings, or working in raised beds. And if you've ever misplaced a tool mid-project, you know how frustrating that is. Having a couple of Dollar Tree backups can save your day. But here's a clever twist most gardeners overlook. Many of the kitchen or household tools at Dollar Tree double as garden helpers. Think about measuring cups for fertilizer, spray bottles for pest solutions, or even plastic forks to deter cats from digging in your garden beds. When you shop with a gardener's eye, suddenly Dollar Tree turns into a treasure chest of multi-purpose tools for pennies. Number 7. Garden-friendly cleaning and storage items. Here's something most gardeners don't talk about. Keeping your garden tools and spaces clean is just as important as planting new flowers. Dirty tools spread diseases, attract pests, and honestly make your gardening life a lot harder. This is where the cleaning aisle at Dollar Tree becomes your best friend. First, let's talk spray bottles. For just over $1, you can pick up several, and they're perfect for mixing homemade garden solutions. Whether it's a mild soap spray for aphids, a vinegar mix to clean pots, or even just water for misting seedlings, these bottles save you from buying overpriced garden-branded versions. Next, scrub brushes. Clay pots and planters often get a white residue from minerals and fertilizer. Instead of tossing them out, grab a stiff brush from Dollar Tree, give them a quick scrub, and suddenly they look brand new. Clean pots not only look better, but they also protect your plants from lingering fungi. And don't overlook storage baskets and caddies. These little plastic organizers are perfect for corralling seed packets, hand tools, gloves, and even those plant ties that always seem to disappear when you need them most. Having everything in one spot means less time searching and more time actually enjoying your garden. Here's the part most people miss. When you keep your tools clean and organized, they last longer. That's real savings. And in September, as you transition your garden for the fall season, having an organized space makes the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. Number 8. Seasonal decor with a gardening twist. Now, here's where you can have some real fun with your garden in September. Seasonal decor. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dollar Tree's decor is all about fall holidays. But with a little creativity, you can give your garden a fresh, festive feel without spending a fortune. For example, Dollar Tree stocks mini pumpkins, scarecrows, hay bales, and rustic signs in September. Instead of just placing them on your porch, blend them into your garden beds and planters. Imagine a pot of chrysanthemums with a tiny hay bale tucked beside it, or a raised bed lined with little pumpkins that glow under solar lights at night. Suddenly, your garden doubles as a seasonal display that neighbors will stop to admire. Here's the clever part. These decorations don't just add charm, they actually extend the life of your garden space. When some plants start to fade or thin out, a pop of seasonal decor fills the gaps and keeps everything looking intentional and put together. And don't overlook the metal stakes and signs they sell. You can stick them right into the soil, mix them among your plants, and it looks like your garden has been professionally styled for the season. Come November, pack them away and bring them back out next year, making your dollar stretch even further. So while most people walk past the decor aisle thinking it's just for indoors, smart gardeners know it's one of the cheapest ways to keep a garden looking alive and festive through the fall months. Number 9. Soil, mulch, and plant care essentials. Now, here's one most gardeners don't expect to find at Dollar Tree. Soil and plant care basics. Yes, the bags may be smaller than what you'd buy at a nursery, but don't overlook them. In September, these little bags of potting mix, topsoil, or even mulch are perfect for smaller projects. Think about it. Maybe you're refreshing a few container plants, repotting herbs for your kitchen windowsill, or topping off a planter that's sunk down after summer watering. Instead of dragging home a giant heavy bag from the garden center, a couple of Dollar Tree bags get the job done with zero hassle. And here's another gem. Dollar Tree often stocks plant food spikes. These are a lifesaver for fall container gardening. You just push them into the soil and they slowly release nutrients over time. Perfect for keeping late-season mums, pansies, or even indoor houseplants thriving. And let's not forget pebble stones and decorative rocks. These aren't just pretty fillers for planters. They help with drainage, prevent soil from splashing up on your plants, and make everything look polished and intentional. And here's the trick most people miss. Use Dollar Tree soil and mulch for your small touch-ups, seed-starting trays, or potted gifts you're giving away. Save your big bulk soil purchases for large garden beds. That way, you stretch your dollars and still keep your garden looking fresh in September. Number 10. Organization and protective items for fall gardening. As September rolls in, most gardeners are shifting gears, tidying up summer beds, prepping soil, and protecting plants from those first cool nights. Dollar Tree has some surprisingly useful items to make this transition smoother and more budget-friendly. Start with their plastic storage bins and clear shoeboxes. These are perfect for organizing garden labels, twine, extra gloves, or even those half-used fertilizer bags. When everything is sealed and stacked, you protect your supplies from moisture, bugs, and that cluttered shed chaos we all know too well. Next, check out their plant covers and drop cloths. Yes, the kind sold in the hardware or cleaning aisle. A lightweight plastic sheet or shower curtain liner can act as a quick frost protector for tender plants on those chilly September nights. Most people don't think about this hack, but it works beautifully when you're not ready to invest in expensive frost blankets. And here's a clever bonus. Dollar Tree's laundry baskets. They may not scream gardening tool, but flip one upside down and you've got an instant protective cover to shield young plants from animals or harsh winds. It's one of those budget tricks that looks simple but works like magic. When you combine these organization and protective finds, you're not only saving money, you're extending the life of your garden and setting yourself up for a smoother spring. It's like giving your plants and tools a little September insurance policy for just a few dollars. And there you have it. 10 surprisingly smart Dollar Tree finds that can completely level up your garden this September 2025. From terracotta look planters to clever protective covers, these items prove you don't need a big budget to create a garden that's vibrant, organized, and ready for fall. I hope you found at least one tip you're excited to try in your own garden. Here's a little challenge for you. Pick one item from this list, try it out, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Your experiences might just help another gardener save time and money. If you loved this video and want more budget-friendly garden hacks, don't forget to subscribe to Garden Homes, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Every like and comment helps me bring you even more clever ideas for your garden. And remember, a beautiful garden doesn't have to cost a fortune. It just takes a little creativity, a few smart finds, and a love for what you grow. Thanks for watching, friends, and I'll see you in the next video for more tips to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood.